Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today, I'm going to do some of those fingering exercises, what I call my TV specials. Alright, we're just going to jump into that right away. Alright, first things first, what we're going to do. Yeah, close enough to be in tune. Can we see my left hand here really well? Alright, let me move that around. Okay, so remember, let me get a pick here. Okay, so remember this. Okay, remember that from the last one? Okay, muscle memory. All right, now the other thing we did with it, once you got comfortable, okay, down, up, pick. All right, we're going to do another thing. Again, anything I do on this one string, it applies to the string, second string, third string, so forth and so on, okay? What I want you to do now, and this, for now, all down picks, we're going to shift the hand. Okay, so what we did is we went open string, first finger, first fret, second finger, second finger, third fret. Now we shift. Now when you shift, let me just show something here. We don't really, we getting a good shot at that, the shift. Okay, when you get, you see what I did, and you see where my thumb is. That's why this, from the very beginning, if you those that have been with us, when you saw, my pencil technique, okay, this is one of the things, is that when the time comes to shift, all right, you just look at it from the front. Okay, you see. All right. See where the thumb is? Now, the thumb, if it was over the top, here's what would happen. You see here, you get sort of like friction, I guess you'd call it. All right, so when you're doing a shift, okay, just a little something. So what we're doing, in essence, is open, first fret, second fret, third fret, fourth fret, fifth fret, sixth fret, seventh fret, eighth fret, and then back. Okay, so while you're watching the news, you're and yes, it's okay to look for the shift. Okay? Same thing on the second string. Same thing on the third string. Okay, after you get a little comfortable with that, and that's going to take time, all right? Then you start with the down, up, 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 down. Okay, then you could alternate the pick. Okay, but this is something, again, like with all the exercises, whether it's this one, it doesn't matter, whichever one of the muscle memory exercises you do at your pace. Don't go on to the next thing unless you're comfortable. It doesn't matter if you're going slow. Okay, slow is fine as long as it's even. You're making your connection with the pick and the note. I don't care if you're doing it like this. As long as it's nice and even, both hands are working together. All right, listen, good luck with that. Enjoy. If there's any questions, comments below. If you like what you hear, please give me that thumbs up and subscribe so we get this stuff out there. Have a nice day.